In this video, I want to show you how to mosaic raster or satellite images in SAGA GIS. So let's open SAGA GIS. To mosaic satellite image or raster is to combine different individual adjacent images or raster together to form a single image without demarcation or showing the outline of the margin. So I'll show you how to do it in SAGA GIS. So to do that, I want to use some raster data here. Let me add it to my grid. I want to use this one. I'll double click it to add it to my grid. And also I want to use this. I'll double click it to add it to grid as well. Now I have to bring it to the data view interface. So to do that, let me load in the first one by double clicking it. Yes, you can see my raster image. So I can zoom out a little bit for you to see it. Then I can bring it to this side. So for the second one, which is the adjacent image, I will double click it and select the same map and click on OK. So you can see these are two adjacent different raster data. And in a situation where your study area cut across the two ties, so there will be a need for you to mosaic it so to form a single raster such that you can clip your study area. To mosaic these two images into a single image without seeing any demarcation or this outline, let me show you how to do that. To do that, come to geoprocessing, come to grid system, and come to mosaicking. When you click on it, it will load this mosaicking table. Then the grids, you have to select the grid system. So click here and select the two images you want to mosaic and click on this sign to move it to this interface. Then click on OK. Then the name of the operation is mosaic. Then here, the overlapping area, click here and select maximum. It is better to select maximum. If you scroll down, you can leave all other things at default. Then, if you want to save it in your local disk, you can click on save, navigate to your working folder and save it with a name. But if you want it as a temporal layer, you can just go ahead and click on OK. If I click on OK, in few seconds, it will be done. You can see it going on here. Yes, it's done. And you can see it here as mosaic. Now, for you to see it, you have to overlay it on the map. That is our current viewer. So to do that, double click here and select the map, which is our map, and click on OK. You can see that this is the mosaic. The two satellite images has been joined together or combined without a trace of the margin, and it has formed a single raster image. So this is how to mosaic satellite images in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.